welcome back to Minsha's World. I am Minsha. Today I am going to show you. Can you guess what is it? It is not cooking. It is unboxing, not toys. Unboxing and product. So it is a beauty product. Let's unbox it. Ta-da! Look this. It's from Flipkart. Let's unbox it. Okay, shall I cut it? So here we get the thing. Now let's get it. Wow! It is a lip liner. Look like this. Okay. This is Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon. So we can do it. Yeah! It is a brown shade. Friends, this is the product from Lakme and the price is 179. This is cinnamon brown shade crayon. You can buy this. Please check my description box. Friends, I am in front of the mirror. So let's check the shade. Okay. Friends, this is the cinnamon brown shade. Friends, this is generally for white skin like me. Okay, let's put it here. So friends, this is the shade. So all of you need to buy this and try it in your lips. It's too good. And we can end it. So thanks for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, share and just press the bell button. Bye bye. I will come with a new video.